What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are doing part 2 of autonomous agents in Unity. So in the last video we did the steering behavior seek, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's just where that little red guy there was chasing us, coming after us, trying to make his position the same as our position. So in this video we are going to be doing the opposite. We're going to be coming after him and he's going to be running away from us, as we can see. So all he's doing is pretty much the complete opposite of what he did in the last video. So he's just moving away from us. When we look at the code, you'll see what I'm talking about, where it's very similar, but we just flip things around a little bit. So yeah, that's it. I did also add from the last video, I made it to where the AI cannot move unless they are grounded. In the last video, they would move even if they weren't grounded, but we fixed that. And I was gonna try to catch him, but looks like I got to turn his speed down as he's just a little bit too quick for me, but it doesn't matter. Let's go look at the code. So here is our code. We can see everything. Let's do this. Let's put the flee and the seek right next to each other so we can see how similar they are. We scroll up, see we're getting everything the same, except for in the seek we had a stopping distance. In the flee we need a safe distance. We need a safe space. And we have our speed. We still have our enable AI and our perform behavior, and our perform behavior is where the magic happens. So again, if we look at it, it looks very similar. Like the structure of everything is identical except for a few key differences, really just two. Right here on seek, we are taking the target's position and we're subtracting the AI's position, but in flee we are taking the AI's position and subtracting the target's position. And then other than that, pretty much the only difference is right here. So we're saying if distance is greater than the stopping distance, do this. Well, here we're saying if distance is less than the safe distance. And yeah, that's it, guys. That is it. Let me make this bigger just so you can see the whole script. And one more time, here it is. Here's the perform behavior. And that is it. That's all we got to cover for flee. Seek and flee are two of the simpler AI behaviors. Stay tuned for the next video, guys, where we will do pursue. Pursue is, again, pretty much the same as seek, except it just takes more of an angle. But yeah, until the next video, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.